all things YouTube.
Hello, Internet. I'm Matt Haas. I know a lot of YouTubers that are struggling getting their channel off the ground. Their audience just isn't growing. Well, here's the thing. The first 30 seconds of your video is critical. Why? Because if someone watches the first 30 seconds, they're more than likely to watch a lot more of your video, which leads to high watch time. And watch time is what YouTube wants. It's the most important thing that YouTube cares about. The more people consume videos on YouTube, the more money YouTube can make, and the better it will be for everyone else. So watch time is what you're after, and hooking someone those first 30 seconds is the key. Now, let's take a look at some of my videos, because YouTube is now surfacing this metric. I'm on analytics for a few videos. This was a somewhat older video. And right here, it has the first 30 seconds. So you can see this highlighted. Now there's a couple tabs on this that show different metrics, but it's that first 30. So what you'll want to do, it always starts out very high at 100, of course, but then you want to figure out what it's at during that 30-second mark. That's 52. Not bad. Let's look at a few more. Here's another video. Oh, this one's much better. 80%. That is a fantastic number. Now, this didn't have as many views. Let's go to my most recent one. Again, not bad, 66%. This one had more. So what's the next step? Figure out what you did in those first 30 seconds of the videos that are performing and do more of that. It's that simple. A few more concepts that you should implement. Get right to the point. Keep the intros to a minimum. I personally don't like long intros. Mine is just a second long. It used to be 3 seconds. If you can skip them, because you have to ask yourself, what value is my intro scene giving to the user? Probably not much. Also, if you can tease what's about to happen, do that. If you've made something and your video is an instruction on making something, you could say, here's the end product. I made this on my scroll saw. I'm going to show you how I cut out these letters and these keys. Let's get started. That just reinforces why they're there. If you're vlogging, tell them what you're going to be doing in the episode. If you're teaching something, say, this is the concept we're going to teach, and you need to know this because, and then list the benefit. Just something small to reinforce why they're there. The last thing you want to do is bait and switch someone or do clickbait and get them into your video and then have your video not be what they think it is. Then they'll jump ship midway, and you don't want that. You want them to watch the whole way through, and that's why being clear and upfront and getting right into it. Don't waste time. Do this again and again, and always come back to here and check this statistic. It'll change over time because as the days roll forward, this graph will reflect current data. But in general, keep an eye on that and watch what you're doing and refine, and get your videos tighter and tighter until you've nailed this. And try and get that percentage after the first 30 seconds as high as possible. At least 50. Get it 60s better, 70s better, 80s better. Get that number up. And once you do, statistically speaking, they'll watch a lot more of your video. And that's what YouTube's looking for. How much of the video are they watching? You've already did the most important and difficult thing is get them to click. But that's not enough. Getting clicks and starting a watch session, that's not going to get you to the finish line. That's not going to equal success. You also have to keep them watching. And that first 30 seconds is key. Practice. Questions about this, put it in the comments. Like this video if this was helpful. Jump in my Facebook group. This is a great place to get your questions answered and interface directly with me. Thanks, Internet.